Here I have Mercedes Vito, and let me show you how to use adjust time feature. So basically, let me show you how to override the automatic time in this car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen of the Mercedes infotainment system. Let's swipe to the left until you see the car. Let's just tap it to open the settings. From the list of settings, you've got access to this top menu when you can choose the appropriate sections. Let's select here the system section. From the left menu, you need to scroll down to choose here time and date. Under time and date, let's select here the adjust time, and here you can adjust your time. So you can here override the automatic time if it's incorrect for some reason, or for example, if you for some reason would like to change the time. As you can see, you can choose -2 minutes, -3 minutes. If you tap OK, uh, it will change the time. Here, let me adjust it. In my case, let me tap 0 to have the exact time. It's in my case the best way. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.